It's 6:30 in the morning. We're about to climb Ventoux 3 times.
Are we?
Club de Cingles.
I thought Club de Cingles meant climb it once. Single time.
It's like a Tinder party.
Tinder party.
Club de Cingles.
Well, we lost Matt.
Bye, Matt.
We are going to go up a hill.
It's basically just like Swain's Lane, right?
Hill climb.
Oh, God.
Swain's Lane.
So we've got 4,400 metres of elevation. So it's basically a half Everest, 3 times up the mountain, 140k in total.
Yeah.
Let's go and do the first one.
Chris's bike's eating his chain.
Your bike's eating your chain?
Chain ate itself. Eddie Boss wanted some dinner. Chris got grumpy. Chris nearly launched his bike into the bush. George went off like a rocket. George appeared with a van. Bike fixed.
So we've just stopped at the chalet. We've chosen to do the bed one ascent first. Arguably the hardest way up. It's the only one I've done before, and yeah, it wasn't too bad. Then we're over the other side, new way up. I think we're saving the easiest till last, which makes sense. Yeah.
Done a quick crank change for reasons we're going to later on.
Yeah.
Done all the mechanics. Guess what? Beep boop. Beep boop boop. Beep boop 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 boop.
What a douche. What a douche. Whoa. First ascent done. Good day for it. Wind's gone as well.
The wind's gone. It's really nice.
What has happened to you?
Well, as you saw, we got the puncture, so I went and got the van, and now I'm back up. I'll ride it in a minute. I'll do a rep in a minute.
So now we're down to 3.
Now down to 3. But the priority is Chris and Jess in the photos on the next climb.
Right.
So that I'm going to play skivvy for a while.
Yeah.
Hopefully fix my bike. For
Nice
puncture
excuse.
For the
Nice
7th
excuse.
time.
Oh, sorry, dude. This is my name.
That's for Stampies, right? Okay.
This is the Stampies book.
I've never been this rough. We've had a coffee standing up.
It's so not London. It's a quick.
We're going to run out of daylight. Oh wait, wear it like that, yeah.
Just like this?
Yeah.
That would be a problem.
Right, I haven't done this climb before. I've just descended it. It seemed like a very long descent. It's taking ages to climb.
21k from here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the one that people argue between being the hardest with Bedouin.
Yeah. You think Bedouin's harder?
Yeah.
They're equal, they're just different in how they're hard.
Hey bro.
How are your legs doing so far?
Well, after this morning's escapades, put some smaller shade rigs on, needed. All right, kind of got into a rhythm now.
Yeah.
We're like over halfway on the second one, but I mean, it's been averaging 11% for a couple of K.
Problem is, I'm on the same gears as you were on earlier, and now I'm starting to feel it.
Play, 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 play.
In all honesty, this is getting pretty hard now. I may have eaten a whole loaf of bread when we got to the bottom of whatever the last descent was.
It was called descent number 1.
All of my blood has gone to my stomach. I'm feeling pretty shit. I'm feeling pretty ropey. But we're nearly there. Last tiny bit of second ascent, and then salt one. No wonder the driving quality's been so bad. What have you been doing, mate? What have you been doing? You've been hogging the road. All we wanted was a tow. No! It's great you managed to get a dog that can drive. How many lessons did it take?
That was a prerequisite of a puppy.
Was it? Ah, nice.
Is he old enough to drive?
In dog years, yeah.
Oh, good.
Ascent number 2 done. Last one, easiest one.
Jess is buzzing. Yeah?
I think I'm hungry.
You know, it's a good job. There's a man with loads of saucissons and sweets over there.
We'll call him
Sausage and stuff.
Vegan saucisson.
Do you know what his name is?
Saucisson Steve.
You're correct, it is actually. Sausage on Steve.
And you a chamois?
Oh, nice.
Like in bib shorts. It's made of these guys.
Is it?
Yeah, they make them.
They make them?
Yeah, they knit them all.
Do you know what his name is? You're gonna get it wrong, I know you are. Carol Shammy.
Oh. His name?
His name is Carol.
Hello.
Did you bring this?
All right, you lazy bastard.
The bad news, guys, is that it's 3:15. People in France don't do anything at 3:15, so there's no food there. That place is shut, and the pizza guy don't open until 4. So it's Pepsi.
They're
now?
lazy, aren't they?
They are European, is what they are. They have their own particular ways.
At least we haven't got to climb a mountain again.
Lunch at 3 o'clock is not an option.
Oh wait. How are the legs going?
Mine come better when I get to do more riding, don't they?
Oh yeah, you just get stronger and stronger.
Yeah, I'm alright.
So it's now bang on 20 kilometres till we get back to the top of Mont Ventoux. I think we're going to stop at the chalet, put on some warmer clothes and finish the last bit off. Jesse boom boom, Jesse boom boom, Jesse. Jesse boom boom, Jesse boom boom, Jesse. How you feeling, Jess?
Ready for it to be over.
Alright man, I get better on these things and getting into it.
Yeah. Can you push us? Oh, that's way easier. Yeah, this is starting to get a bit grim now.
Nearly done, mate.
26 kilometres.
My stomach's playing up because of all the just bread. Gummy worms, gummy worms, gummy worms. Look at this smug git. Knuckle sandwich. Halfway up the climb. Chris was like, I'll give you a knuckle sandwich when we get to the top. That means punch, mate.
I knew what I meant. I think I'm thinking about
Knuckle sandwich? Oh no, you didn't even ride it.
Oh, well, I don't get a knuckle sandwich.
Knuckle sandwich for support crew.
Yeah.
Descent. Pizza.
Sorry, ladies.
What's up, bro?
Well, we were so hungry I forgot to vlog the pizza.
Ex-pizza.
Did it even happen? Ex-pizza.
If we lose the plates, we never have pizza, so we have to have pizza.
Is it true that you two are going to go and buy chips from a shop?
Gonna buy what? Chips. Chips. Like.
Full of chips.
Oh, nice.
I can't eat chops.
It's kind of sad, this, isn't it?
Look at the size of that moth.
Where'd you go?
What?
It's huge, isn't he?
Hungry?
No one's driven up and down that mountain more than me today. That's a fact. That's a fact. And yesterday. I did it twice yesterday. Yeah.
I'll drive it
And
next
tomorrow.
time, it looked a lot easier.
And I got to drive up again tomorrow morning.
We basically just want to say a big thank you to Matt, who's the guy who let us stay here. It's been wicked, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
he's basically got a little outhouse.
Pretty big outhouse, mate.
Mate, it's pretty large.
It is pretty big. We're about 10 kilometres from the base of Ventoux, and it's a perfect place if you do want to come and have a holiday. Ride some bikes here.
Link down below. Link down below. Link down below.
CC.
Link down below to Ventoux CC.
12cc. Down there. Down there. Right down there. Right down there. Sun up at 7:30. First photos at 7:31.
Oh my god.
12-hour drive.
12-hour drive.
With your
Ferry home.
Serial podcast.
He's out.